Hello and welcome on this beautiful day at 581 Heron Glen Drive in Northeast Columbia. This is a 3-bedroom, 2.5-bath home, 2-car garage, covered front porch. Also, you have a spacious backyard and also pool access in the front of the subdivision. Let's go take a look in the backyard. All right, we're making our way to the backyard. It is an open backyard, and you can kind of see the main road from there. And here's the back of the home. And this door right here actually leads into the dining room and also the kitchen as well. And with that being said, let's go take a look inside the home. Okay, we are now inside the home. As soon as you come in the front door off the foyer, you have your hardwood floors right here. Straight ahead, you have your fireplace and also your ceiling fan. Pretty good sized living room that leads into the dining room as well. As you can see, it is carpeted, and you have your staircase back there that leads to all the bedrooms upstairs. And this door right here is just a closet, but here's a look at the other side of the living room. You have your pretty good sized mirror that looks out into the front yard of the neighborhood. You also have your chandelier right here in the living room. That was the door that I mentioned earlier that leads into the dining room and also the kitchen. And here is the kitchen. Very nice setup. You have your island in the middle. You also have your wood cabinets and your black appliances. You have your refrigerator right here and also your dishwasher and stove. And this door right here is the pantry. Straightforward is the garage. It fits 2 cars. And here you have the laundry room to the right, pretty spacious laundry room. And also you have your shelving right here. Right across from the laundry room, you have your half bath. You have your toilet and also your sink and mirror right here. All right, we're going to make our way upstairs. And I didn't mention it in the beginning of the video, and we're going to see it when we get upstairs. It's actually a pretty large bonus room as soon as you walk up the stairs. So let's go take a look at that. All right, coming up the stairs. As soon as you get upstairs, you have your bonus area. Fairly large. You have your double doors right here that lead out to the balcony that we saw earlier in the video. And you have your bedrooms and bathroom up here as well. You have your ceiling fan, and it is carpeted. We'll go ahead and take a look at bedroom number 1. Here is bedroom number 1. Pretty good size. It is carpeted all throughout here upstairs as well. And you have your 2 windows right here that look out into the front of the neighborhood. And also you have your double door closets. As soon as you come out of bedroom number 1, To the left, you have your linen closet. And right next to the linen closet, you have the bathroom. Here you have your single vanity sink right here, and also your cabinet space. Pretty good sized mirror. And then you have your toilet and your tub and shower combo. This door right here is the master bedroom, which we're going to leave that for last. Also, you have your thermostat here as well. There's two in the home. There's one downstairs by the stairs, and then you have this one up here as well. Here is bedroom number 2. It is carpeted as well. And you also have your window that looks out to the backyard. And then you have your double door closet right here. Pretty much the same style as bedroom number 1. But this one, if I must say, might be a little bit smaller, but not by much. And we're going to come out of bedroom number 2. And we're going to go right here to the right and look at the master bedroom. All right, here is the master bedroom. Pretty large master bedroom. You have your 2 windows right here. And also coming over here to the left, to the far right, you have your master closet. And here to the left a little bit, you have your bathroom, which we'll take a look at in one moment. And here is the walk-in closet. Pretty good sized walk-in closet, if I must say. And it extends over here to the left. So a pretty good amount of space for a walk-in closet. All right, and we're going to look at the master bathroom right here to the right. Here you have the double vanity sinks, same style as the main bathroom. Large mirror right here, and then go a little distance further. You have your toilet and also your garden tub right here, and stand-up shower. All right, that concludes our video tour of this home, which is 581 Heron Glen here in Northeast Columbia. 3-bedroom, 2.5 bath home, 2-car garage, and also this very spacious bonus area up here. For more information, you can go to our website, which is turnerproperties.com. Again, that's turnerproperties.com. Any questions that you might have, give us a call at the office. Number is 803-407-8522. Bye-bye.